Howdy, howdy. I gotta paint over this. Painting this on the wall before the girl was born. And we're gonna take this off and paint over it. Install a toddler bed. Because it's a toddler now. And it's time to move up. Time to start growing up. So let's peel this off and do some magic, if you call it that. I got confirmation. I can throw this away. So I can do whatever I want. And these are on there pretty good. Oh, wow, that's really on there. Oh, look at that. I screwed it on there. I screwed that one on there too? I sure did. I screwed them on. Oh, now I got holes to fill. Awesome. It's probably not the smartest thing to do, but get some out of your finger. It used to be pink, but I guess it's not. Just fill it in. I should do it. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Ooh, oops. There we go. That should do it. Yeah. Get in that hole. Don't you want to go in your hole? This may not be dry, but we're gonna, yeah. That should be good. Let's get a contractor back. When you're spot painting, everything will be fine. Done. Now you gotta shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Hopefully the lid doesn't come off and it squirts everywhere. That would be bad, wouldn't it? Yeah? What I like to do is use the lid first. It may look lighter than the wall, but it will get darker. Trust me. And then you paint. Overwork. Look at that. Oh no. That should dry to that color. So, don't worry. It will get darker. Here is the toddler bed. Well, I always wondered, like, those plates, like, those are my China plates, don't get rid of those. Is that a brand, or is it, like, plates from China? I always wondered that. Why? Don't mess with my China plates. Don't. What's the deal with that? I don't know. I'd look into it, but I don't feel like it. So this is the toddler bed, or cama de niños, as some would say. It says toddler. Who makes this? Delta Children's. Okay. Let's tear into it. You want to use a sharp object. Okay, so this whole bottom part opens up. Trust us, we're obsessed with safety. Okay. On the picture, it doesn't look that safe. Can it hold me? That's the real question. Can it hold me? I don't know. We're gonna find out. Then your safety. Exactly what I was expecting. Styrofoam. Protection. De su ans. That's Spanish. Okay. Before returning this product to the store. I hate returning things. Okay. Hardware. Which is what I thought that red string was for. Exactly that. Hardware. Let's dig into that first before we get to the shapes. Okay. Usually they come with tools. Let's see. What is it? And it does come with tools. Some dowels. Yeah. Extra hardware. Lose that. I assume this is for something. Manuels. Ooh. That does not look like it would hold me. It does not. Not at all. Here's the manual. How's that? Okay. Do we want to look to see if we have everything? No. We'll just get to making it. Okay. First step is here. Let's lay it out. Okay. Here we go. Which one's the back and which one's the front? Let's see. Oh, we're gonna need that. We're gonna need B, A, and D's. This is a C. Okay. Goes like that. Okay, I get it. So you can go in here like that. Can we make the hardware cheaper? Yes, we can. Enough to hold a tiny human? Yes, we can. We can do that. Is this going in? It is. Oh, it is. Okay. Put that down here. This is D. D's nuts. Okay. All right. Let's do that. And then that piece right here. That's it. That's it. Yep. Which side is better? Nobody knows. That's the mystery. There it is. More of this, more of that. Oh, no. 3, 4. More of these. Yep. Alright, so this part's assembled. Next you want to move on to this next page. And then you want to go to the next page, and the next page, and the next page, and the next page. And you just follow. And you got it done. The little slotted things, that's for all those things. There you go. If you can't do this, you're useless. Alright. Speed mode. For one, why do you need to make it smaller? Because of packaging? Come on. And so you gotta connect these two pieces together? Really? Really? Is that gonna hold me? No, it's not gonna hold me. I know it's not for me, but it'd be nice to know it could. Oh, come on. Let me get this part done and put the railings on. Now, you can use matches from the crib. There you have it. A chance for your kid to wake up in the middle of the night and wake you up. It's perfect. It's perfect. Here it is. I hated this part right here because it's stupid. Can it hold me? We're gonna test that out right now. All right. Uh-huh. Yep. I think it does. Okay. Can I sleep here? Oh, I definitely could. Okay. Passes. Passes the test. If it holds me, it can hold her jumping on it. Yeah, I see her jumping on it. As far as the railings go, I guess you need railings for this high. What is that, like 5 inches off the ground? Yeah, I think this is what it. Well, let's just. Okay, I could sit on it. All right. Okay, China. And that's it. This is the toddler bed. Let's see what she thinks. All right. Bye. Want to sleep on that?
Yeah. It's cool.
Do you like your new bed?
It's so funny. Please send me a bird.
Huh? Now you can't be coming out. You gotta sleep through it to the night like you usually do, okay? What are you doing to your arm? Yes, you scratching your arm?
I like it big.
You like your bed?
Yeah.
Know who got you your bed?
Yeah.
Who got you your bed?
I took it.
What'd I say? Sit down.
Fine.
Sit. Sit down. You not jump on your bed, okay?